Okay, so hello guys. Today we cover HTML form, remaining part of HTML form, and the last video we are doing this HTML form till here, and next part we are doing today. So let's get started. So till here we are already done a name and last name and email address and date and your input button. And next is some attribute are remaining like your required attribute and placeholder and some attribute like disable and checked attribute and some button also radio button like that. So today we are cover this. So first we talk about the required attribute. So suppose that we define the your HTML form and we need a required name or your email to email or a mobile number of user. So that time we have to define the required attribute. So without the filling the your name or email address, he or she cannot submit the form. Okay, so we have to simple what we have to do. We have to simple define the required here. Like we need a name and a required name, first name, and like required email. So here we are define the required. So this data is compulsory when user is fill the form. So he or she without fill the name or email, he or she cannot the submit the form. Okay, so that's the required to. Okay, and save and okay, control R. Okay, so without name or your email. Uh, okay, as you can see this when you are putting this one, please fill out this field. Okay, so this is the required attribute. Here you can write a comment and write here required attribute. And next we talk about your placeholder. Like we have to simple define the signal to the user when he or she land the on a forum. So he or she can understand the what we are filling here. So we have to simple define the like we have to define a last name. So we have to simple take here a name and last name. Okay, and here we are simple define the placeholder, and here we are define the last and name. Okay, and save this, and then you have to go to here. As you can see this there here is showing the last name. So when user are come in a forum, so he or she can understand we have to fill the here last name. So here also you can define the your name. Here you have to define the name and okay, here you have to define your first name okay, and a placeholder. Okay, and here right here first name. Okay, and save this, and then you have to go to here. As you can see this first name which comes here. Okay, so when user comes your forum, so he can understand the here we have to fill the first name, and here we have to fill the last name. So this is the placeholder attribute. And next is you are disabled. Sometime we don't need user data. We have to simple sometime like suppose that we are release the forum to the only Indian student. So what we have to do? We have to simple fill the country India and disable that. So user cannot fill the, so only Indian student are allowed over there. So that time what we have to do? So like suppose that I am taking here your div tag. Okay, and inside div tag we simply take the input and and then text your commits text, and then we have to simply take the like name and name like country. It's just an example. You take as your requirement, and like value, we fill the value like film India, and then we have to simply do the disable this, so no one is fill this. Oh, okay, only this is showing. So as you can see this here, we have to define the country and simple. You have to do this and save this. Okay, as you can see this country has comes, and India is already filling. So this is the disable. You cannot fill here anything. Okay, so this is the disable attribute, and now we are talk about the checked attribute. So we have to define which item we are fill this. So we already check this. Uh, okay, like I will show you. So you have to simple take the div tag, and then you have to take a input and check the simple your checkbox, and then here are name, take the name any, like suppose that I'm taking the vehicle, and ID you are first take a bike, and here you have to, you can take I have a bike, and okay, and here you have to take a BR tag. So we move the next line, and simple you have to copy this and take the two or three data, and here you have to change the ID. Here you take the car, and here you have to change car, and here also you have to change the car. Here you change the bus. Okay, and here you take a bus. Okay, so this is the, now you have to save this and go to here. As you can see this, here the bike, I have bike, I have car, and I have a, so like suppose I have a bike, so I simple click this, and I have car this, so simple click this. So which item you have, so you simple click check out this and submit this form. So like suppose I am released the forum and I required a 12th mark sheet. So here I have defined the, if you have 12th, if you have done a 12th, so you have to check out this, and if you had the 10th, you can check out this. So that's the, like this you can use this, and one is we are also use the radio button. So let's we check radio button. So simple, we have to go to here and take the div tag and div tag. Okay, and simple take the input and input and radio somewhere, no. Okay, so if no, then you have to take input and here text, and remove the text and take here a radio. Okay, and name, suppose that I'm taking here a gender. Okay, gender and ID, we can take this ID. First we have to define this 2 3 data 1, and this is the 3. Okay, now here are the gender is defined. Here we are take the male, okay, male, and here we take the female. Okay, and here we take the trans. Okay, trans, and here you have to take a simple male and break for new line, and here take the female. Okay, and here take the br tag for new line, and then you have to go to here and take the trans. Okay, and take here a PR tag for new line. Okay, so this is the your radio button, and now you have to go to here, and as you can see this is the radio button. You can check out oh, you like you are a female, so you have to simple click here, and if you are a male, so you have to simple click here, and then you have to submit this form. So when you are define the forum, then you have to need a something like a placeholder, and there are radio button, many times date you need required. So these are the important things which you can use your forum. So most of the cases we need a forum, and so you can use the simple these things. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.